Hello and welcome, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, today presenting this fabulous Audi A3 1.4 TFSI E40 S-Line Sportback. Finished in grey and powered by petrol plug-in hybrid system producing 204 PS paired with smooth S-Tronic automatic transmission, this A3 offers refined efficiency and confident performance. At the front it features sharp LED headlights, S-Line bumper styling and a wide single-frame grille for a bold and premium look. It sits on 18-inch alloys which improve cornering stability and steering response while maintaining comfortable ride, and at the rear the A3 continues the sporty S-Line theme with sleek roof spoiler, LED rear lights with dynamic indicators, privacy glass and sharp bumper styling. The boot offers everyday usability with well-shaped compartments suitable for shopping, luggage and winter essentials, and the 40-20-40 split folding rear seats add flexibility for longer items. Rear passengers enjoy supportive seating, ISOFIX mountings, ambient touches, good legroom and dark tinted windows for added comfort. Up front, the S-Line sport seats offer excellent support complemented by dark aluminium inlays, leather center armrest and Audi's refined dashboard layout. The multifunction steering wheel provides access to audio navigation and assistance functions, and ahead of you sits the impressive Audi virtual cockpit presenting navigation, media, hybrid information and driver-friendly clear digital dials. On offer is dual-zone electronic climate control and the infotainment system with crisp audio from the 6-speaker system with DAB radio, as well as Bluetooth, smartphone mirroring and USB-C connections, and MMI Navigation Plus, which is displayed on this 10.1-inch touchscreen display. There is also car menu to access vehicle details, charging information and driving data, and Audi Drive Select allowing you to switch between various driving modes, and more car details to view hybrid statistics, energy flow and trip metrics. You also get driver assist settings to configure systems such as pre-sense, collision avoidance, lane departure warning and more. And this has been a presentation of the Audi A3 1.4 TFSI E40 S-Line Sportback. This vehicle is now available from Automotive Crewe. For more information visit us online or give us a call.